Good evening, guys. The time is to 11. I think about quarter minute to 11. Today being 1st of February 2026. As you all know, we have actually done our monthly recap for last month. And so good. Last month we had about 10 trade, of which we had about 6 wins and then 4 losses. Then out of the 4 losses with ATR, two were wins. That means we had about in general, we had about 8 wins and 2 losses. So it's the beginning of a new week and also a beginning of a new month. And as you all know, tonight we're supposed to do some market review, also look at where the market is heading to and what we are looking at. Possibly looking at to trade by beginning of the week, which is few hours from now, because by 2 o'clock the market should have been open and we should be expecting to have some opportunities. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive down to Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin right here, and as you guys know, we've been on downward trend, which we shorted and we took opportunity of it. And this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking at Bitcoin to come and test the second trend line and maybe reverse and start heading up. That is if it actually test it and give me an entry, which is an engulfing candle. But if it test and break out, then break below it, I'll just let it go and wait for end opportunity. Or if it doesn't get to the trend line, just reverse from here. I'll just take it as it is what it is now. It's not for me. I just let it be. Then it's just basically for Bitcoin, and so in other words, we are just sit behind them, sit down and sit and be watching Bitcoin and watch and see what it's gonna do. Then the next one we are looking at right now is gold because you all know our only trade to pairs, which is Bitcoin and gold, and they just break out to tonight trade. So as you guys know, gold actually made a short downward trend late hours of Friday. We were supposed to take a shot here, as you all know, but unfortunately, we did not have our entry. It's our analysis happened, but it did not have our entry. It broke this low and broke this neckline, and we have a retest. But what happened is that we are waiting for a double top around here, so I can take a shot and I will take our profit at the next low, which is here. And that was a wonderful. As you can see, the market just came and cleared it before it put back and started going down. But unfortunately, we do not have a double top here. All we had was an engulfing candle, just a single engulfing candle. And as you all know, I'm someone that is rigid when it comes to trading. I'm very rigid. My entries and the rest. So I choose to ignore it. I choose to ignore it because I did not have a double this and what happened? It played out. So what is happening right now is that we're actually watching good and see what's gonna happen. Let's see whether we're gonna have a double bottom somewhere around here, and whether the market is gonna continue the trend this week that pushes the upward trend. Whether it's gonna continue the original trend which is the upward trend. So we are looking at whether we're gonna have a double bottom somewhere around here. So like yeah, or so that's our question whether it's gonna come down here, give us a second leg with an engulfing candle, then we take it long, or whether it's gonna maybe go up here, then give us a proper double top. Then we'll not take a shot. So this is just basically what I'm looking at in Bitcoin and gold. So we keep our hand course and also watch what the market gives us. So in case you're interested in watching my market recap for the last month of January, I'll drop the video. Maybe you can look at you can check my page, you see the video, the trades I took, the ones I lost and when I lose a trade, I just look at the possibilities when I use it. And if as long as the trade is something that it's supposed to, like it's my setup 100% perfect, I don't feel bad when I lose it. I only feel bad when I lost a trade and I don't know it's my fault that I lost that trade. So this is just it. So I wish you guys successful months and also a successful week as the week is beginning. Hopefully that this week gonna be a successful one for us. We're gonna make some wins, we're gonna have a wins and we're gonna be a beautiful one. So enjoy your day and also see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.